Fan Mani, 23 years old, kilala rin as Aman, lumaki siya sa orphanage after iniwan siya ng pamilya niya. So at a young age, nalulong siya guys sa drugs at eventually naging nightclub hostess sa Kowloon. So may anak siya, a baby boy, born in November 1998. So basically, she was trying to survive sa dangerous nightlife ng Hong Kong. Now, 3 lalaki ang magiging prime suspects sa case na to. Una, si Chan Man-lok, 34 years old, triad member at isang drug dealer. Second, si Lung Wai-lun, 27 years old. Tapos si Lung Xing-cho, 21 years old. Plus isang 14-year-old girl nicknamed Afong. Siya din guys yung girlfriend ng isa sa kanila and later siya rin na magiging susi sa investigation. Early 1999, may conflict na nangyari. Reports say na si Fan supposedly stole a wallet from Chan Man-lok. So dahil dito, the men decided to abduct her para turuan ng leksyon.